One of the most lively areas in Dubai ay ang mga night markets. Kapag gabi na, dito talaga nagiging buhay ang paligid. Ilaw, pagkain, tao at sari-saring kwento. Ito yung mga street stalls at small shops na nagbubukas sa gabi, nagbebenta ng pagkain, snacks, drinks, souvenirs, damit at kung ano-ano pa. Para siyang open-air market vibe na sobrang saya. Usually from 7 PM onwards hanggang late night. Mas masaya pag medyo gabi na kasi mas buhay ang stalls at mas presko ang hangin. Minsan kahit hindi ka gutom, mapapabili ka talaga. Ang bango ng pagkain, ang daming choices at very affordable pa. Kahit 20 to 50 dirhams busog ka na. Depende kung food trip lang or may konting shopping, pero very budget friendly siya compared sa malls. Bukod sa food, may makikita ka rin mga nagbebenta ng damit, perfumes, bags, souvenirs at random finds. Yung tipong tingin-tingin lang pero uuwi kang may bitbit. Dito naman nagpa-register kami ng aming UAE number sa GCash at dahil doon nabigyan kami ng voucher worth 20 dirhams. O diba, bida ang mga Pinoy pagdating sa pangangaroling. Pwede bang mag-bargain? Oo, lalo na sa mga non-food items. Polite bargaining lang. Smile goes a long way dito. Dito sa may bandang likod, syempre, mawawala ba ang mga pag-game sa mga bata?
Wow, is that yours? Wow, who won that? Who won that, Erin? Who won that?
The duck, she won it.
Wow, how about the other one?
She got another one side.
Oh, nice.
Whoa! Galing!
Wow, oh, galing! Okay lang yan. Ilan ba para makakuha ng prize? Yay! Wow! Last net. No, it's okay. You already did a good job. Ah! Woo! Yay! Yay! How to oh! See, Kuya, one for you. Wow! Yay! Now yan, Ate Erin has the same. Picture, picture. Dali, dali. Ah! Yay!
The vibe talaga is very relaxed. Walang pressure, walang arte, lakad lang, kain lang, kwento lang. Parang community talaga. Makikita mo rin na maraming families, couples at group of friends na naglalakad lang, nagpapalipas ng oras. Ito yung mga simpleng moments na masarap i-document. Paano pumunta dito? Super easy. Baba ka lang sa Al Riga Metro Station tapos lakad ka na lang. Isa ito sa pinaka-convenient na night spots sa Dubai. Paggabi, mas presko ang hangin, mas chill ang mood at mas ramdam mo yung buhay ng lungsod. This is Dubai beyond skyscrapers. Ito yung everyday life. So, if you are in Dubai and gusto mo ng night activity na hindi mahal, masaya at very local, Al Riga night markets are a must experience. And habang naglalakad kami dito sa Al Riga, mas lalo naming nare-realize kung bakit maraming Filipino ang nagiging curious about life in Dubai. Hindi lang siya about trabaho. It's about lifestyle, community, at opportunities. This is why we're sharing these moments because soon we'll also be talking about how Filipinos can build businesses here in Dubai, just like what we've been doing in Europe. So stay with us. This is not just a night market tour. This is a glimpse of what life can look like abroad, brought to you by COB, Channel of Blessings Corporation SP Zoo, and Channel of Blessings Corporation FZE LLC in Dubai.